Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is egg curry. Simple and easy yet so delicious and flavorful. I have made this restaurant style egg curry in minutes. I have not grinded any gravy here, and I make egg curry in two ways, one with the grinding method and this one is a quick and easy method. So for a lazy work day or weeknight dinner, this is the perfect recipe. So stay tuned for the ingredients and let's check out the recipe. Alright, let's get started. Having 6 boiled eggs. And let's get this oil heat up. Let's add some turmeric, red chili powder, salt, few pinches, just to get these eggs some nice layer of the spices. Before that, once you remove the shell, just poke the whole egg with the fork so that this masala goes in. Okay, we're just coating this masala on it. That's it. We can keep this aside and start with our curry preparation. Alright, so in the same pan I have added about 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's add some cumin seeds, just a couple pinches. Add cinnamon stick, 2-3 pieces. We are not going to grind anything here. We are just simply going to saute everything. I have 2 medium-sized onions cut, and 1 tomato. We're going to saute them well. Alright, so in about 2 minutes, onion gets translucent. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, saute this well. Time to add our tomatoes. This is 1 chopped tomato. If you have tomato puree, you can add that as well. I'm not going to grind anything today. Just a lazy day after work, so just trying to get cooking done. Still no compromise on the taste. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt so that our onion and tomato gets cooked nicely. Let it cook for about 2 more minutes. Alright, in about 2 minutes, you can see the tomato and onion mixture is cooked properly. You see the mixture is now mashed up. Let's add some dry spices. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coriander and cumin powder, and from my spice box I'm adding few pinches of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, and I have my roasted fenugreek leaves. I'm just going to crush this into this mixture. There you go. Just give that a good mix. Let it cook for about 3-4 minutes. At this time you can add some water to get some gravy, and that way the dry spices won't burn, because it will taste bitter or won't give us that good flavor. So just add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water and let it cook. I'm going to cover this now and keep it covered and cook it for about 3 minutes. Alright, so while my gravy is cooking, get to the next step. So before that, I have cut the eggs into two halves. So these are like nicely looking eggs already. You can eat it as is if you want. So here, when we make like any restaurant style dishes, they don't have like that many onions and that many tomatoes to go in affordable price. So what I learned is they add some yogurt and some gram flour mixture into the gravies to make the thick gravies. So I'm going to do the same here. So I have about 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt, and I have added half a cup of water, and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of gram flour, which is besan, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps there. Alright, so let's keep whisking this. You can use fork, spoon, or if you have egg beater or whisker, anything like that. It's anyways going to get in the gravy, so no worries if there are 1 or 2 lumps left. And that's it, our secret mixture is ready here. We are just simply going to add it in the tomato onion gravy. Alright, so 3 minutes are over. Let's check our mixture here. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous masala. It's already oozing out the oil. Perfect stage of cooking the masala. Make sure the oil oozes out when you cook the masala, so you have to cook it till then, and that's the sign that our masala is well cooked. So once you start seeing the oil oozing out, you can go ahead and do the next step. So I'm going to turn off the heat. We have yogurt here, so we will not cook the yogurt right now. Change its color once the gram flour is cooked. Now it is really thick, so I'm going to add hot water to it. I'm going to add almost half cup of hot water, and depends on how thick the gravy you want. You can adjust the quantity of water, but make sure you add hot water. Alright, so let's start our heat. Keeping it to the medium. And now we are going to cook this again. And once it comes to the boil, that's the time we can add the eggs that we have prepared earlier. So I'm going to cover it for about 5 more minutes, and then we will add the eggs. Alright, so 5 minutes are over. Let's check out this gravy, and look at this, the oil is oozing out again. At this time, just stir this well, and look how thick this gravy is now. If you want, you can add some water to it and check the taste of it. Last ingredient is pinch of sugar. Any restaurant style gravy has this sugar element in it. Just that nice tangy flavor of yogurt that compensate with this sugar. Our eggs, and sprinkle some coriander. And look at this, beautiful this is. Our restaurant style egg curry is ready. Let's serve this with rice or roti, fulka, naan, anything. There you go. That's it. Nice and easy, yet super tasty recipe. And one last step to give our gravy that extra nice look and flavor, of course, we are going to do this step. This is purely optional, but if you want to have this, you can do this. So I have added 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan or kadai, and I'm going to add just half tablespoon of red chili powder. Once the red chili powder is dissolved, just simply going to turn it off. Right, I have served this in a nice bowl and add this hot oil. Some fresh coriander, and look at this, how beautiful this looks. Our restaurant style egg curry is ready now. And look at this, guys, so beautiful and tempting egg curry is right here, and it has no puree made, so just simple easy technique and just some secret ingredients that you can use and enjoy this restaurant style egg curry at home. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you like it, please hit the like button, give me the big thumbs up, and share your comments in the comment box, and do try it at home. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.